Hi, it's Jen from Making AI Magic. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Today, let's look at 10 AI generators that will make your season bright. Let's find out what's new this year in AI. Of course, you can prompt for AI images. I even have ebooks filled with collections of my favorite Christmas prompts. But today, let's look at free AI tools that are special this Christmas. They will sprinkle around a little holiday magic. Let's start with Recraft AI. Before you generate an image, notice there's a tiny button under the prompt box. You can Christmasize it. Flip it on and everything you prompt now has a Christmas theme. But it's not just new images. Drag in your own images and photos. Type a short prompt. It doesn't need to be much to add a large splash of Christmas to your images. And you can adjust the AI's creativity with the slider. Move the slider one way and you get an image that is almost identical. Move it the other way and you'll get something completely different. Along these same lines is my Jinglebot GPT. This was my Christmas present to you last year. And let's re-gift it and see how it performs today. Open the link in ChatGPT. Now upload an image for inspiration and hit send. No prompt necessary, but let the AI know if you want snow or sparkles or a big fat scented beard. ChatGPT uses your image and DALL-E 3 to add a Christmas kick. Max Studio has a quick Christmas filter. Upload a photo. Let's make my headshot a little more seasonal. Click Apply Christmas Filter, and Max Studio turns your image into a cartoon Christmas. The filter is really designed for humans. It doesn't quite know what to do with my cat. Sorry, Ginny. Nero also has a Christmas filter to turn your images or photos into holiday pics. But here you've got some choices. Make the image snowy, twinkle, cozy knit, merry tune, postcard, or frosted clay. The images are more realistic and you can stack your styles. With AppyPie, you can switch your social media avatar to Christmas theme just for the season. Upload your current avatar or a new photo and apply a Christmas style. There are nearly 50 different choices. And you have a free 7-day trial to try them all out. Coca-Cola is way on board with AI image generation. They're getting a lot of publicity from their controversial AI video ad this year. Last year, the company hosted an AI Christmas card maker to get everyone in the holiday spirit. This year, the AI has moved on, and so has Coke, embracing AI speech and AI video.
Welcome! I'm so happy you're here! I want to hear about your favorite holiday memories, and with a little bit of magic, I'll bring them to life in the form of a magical snow globe.
The Create Real Magic app now generates a snow globe inspired by your Christmas memories. Create an account and click Get started. Now click the microphone and tell the AI Santa all about a favorite Christmas memory. Or click Type to type in your reminiscences. The AI Santa prompts more information to really get your memories flowing. The app uses your memories to create a personalized snow globe. The output is a bit commercial, but it is a fun way to get the family to reminisce. The AI image generator playground has moved into more of a design space this year. They're all set up with Christmas templates to play with. Choose one of the free ones or buy a one-day pass and try them all. Now type what you want to change. The app gives you some ideas. You can add, change, replace, that sort of thing. And you can easily change the text. Then change colors, and maybe apply a style. Playground uses its advanced AI image generator to change the template. You can start with one template, but you're going to end up with many possible designs. Now export your image to download or share. Want to make your own Christmas card? Well, here's a gift from me to you. This script uses ChatGPT or another large language model like Gemini or Claude to create an AI Christmas card. Feel free to tell the AI what you want to see. Suggest a theme, a subject, or a style, or even a Christmas message. Now pop the prompt into your favorite AI image generator, or let ChatGPT make the image, and you have an instant Christmas card. Recraft, DALL-E 3, and Midjourney are all pretty good at generating text, so you can send out personalized Christmas messages. If you want more scripts like these, see my ebook. I'll also show you how to make your own scripts. But don't just make a Christmas card, animate it. AI image to video has come a long way this year. There's nothing like adding movement to your Christmas card. Many AI video generators have this feature. Let's use Kling AI to animate a card. Choose Image to Video and upload your favorite Christmas image. You can tell the AI what you want to see or just click Generate. The AI will figure out what to move in the scene. And just like that, you can make it snow. With AI video, you can always have a white Christmas. And in Kling, if you want special movements, move over to Kling version 1.0 and show the AI what to move. And finally, let's create a new Christmas carol for 2024. AI music generators have come a long way this year. Let's use Udio. It has a simple interface. Let's keep it simple and let the AI make us a new Christmas tune, complete with lyrics and album cover.
Snowflakes dance on a winter's night, carols echo through the trees like hearts are warm, fireside bright, magic fills the silent
Extend the tracks you like, add intros and outros, and you've got your own special tune for you and your family. That's all for our festive journey through AI tools that make the holiday seasons brighter. There's something here for everyone to explore and enjoy. Wishing you a season filled with joy, creativity, and a little extra AI magic.